Here is an abandoned Fiesta grill. You can kind of see it right here just a little bit. It's all boarded up. Let's see what we can see inside. Don't look too bad, actually. Can't see much. It is filthy in there. So you can see right here. This one's been sitting for quite some time. Can't see much there. See some stuff in there. Don't know what they're going to do with it. They've been sitting for quite a bit of time. A little patio to it. Nothing back here. Nothing back here. Fiesta. Yeah, Mexican grill, long time ago. Yeah, it's gutted. You see, it is. Yeah, there's nothing in there. It's gutted out. You can see it way back here. There's nothing. Nothing. Yeah. Window's too dirty.